Hello friends, I am Dr. Parimala, a public health enthusiast pursuing doctoral studies. Welcome to Health and Eudaimonia channel. I hope you all are safe and healthy in this pandemic.
I am going to talk about my plate for the day. It is the consumption of proportion of food groups given in the plate to prevent macronutrient and micronutrient deficiencies, which is also known as hidden hunger.
And friends, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe for interesting health and well-being related updates. Click the bell icon for getting updates of all the notification. So let's start for today's topic. Coming to our topic, my plate for the day. This healthy plate concept is designed by ICMR NIN. It is really difficult to understand how to set one's plate. What is the benefit of this recommended plate? This plate comprises of macronutrients and micronutrients. It has minimum 8 food groups which needs to be eaten per day to achieve a balanced diet. This diet would fulfill the required calories, energy for an Indian adult.
If you must be thinking of adding nutritional supplement to fulfill your daily requirement, however, there is no single food or nutritional supplement which can provide all micronutrients and bioactive compounds together as a diversified food item would provide.
Our food is not only nutrients, it is composite having innumerable vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and flavonoids. And as most of the people suffer from multiple deficiencies due to consumption of a monotonous cereal diet, by only introducing 1 or 2 supplements, we are making mockery with our valuable lives.
This diversified food item illustrated in this model plate is packed with macronutrients and a whole range of multiple vitamins and minerals.
Coming to the model plate, it has a proportion of food from different food groups which comprises and makes it to 2000 kilocalorie per day. So what these food groups exactly mean? Food groups are the food items which have similar nutritional properties and values, like cereals having similar properties, vegetables having almost similar properties, fruits to one group, pulses to one group, nuts to one groups. So these are food groups. Let us understand more about the plate. I have depicted the model plate in this slate. So the plate comprises of 8 food groups, where half of the plate depicts vegetables, fruits, green leafy vegetables, a major portion which comprises of cereal, another portion comprises of pulses, and a small portion comprises for nuts, and a very small portion for oils, fats, butter, and moreover this plate comprises of milk, and you can include curd, and oil. We should consume variety of oil for cooking, and in case of fruit we should avoid taking juice and added sugar to it. So these are not part of this model plate. Basically this model plate comprises of 50 to 60% of carbohydrate, 10 to 15% of protein, and 20 to 30% of fat. No added sugar is part of this ideal plate. This plate is designed based on the recommended dietary allowances for an Indian adult. This is a meal plan of my plate for the day. So cereal should be 240 grams per day, pulses should comprises of 90 gram, milk 300 ml, that is around 1 glass, vegetables 350 grams, fruits 150 grams, nuts 30 grams, fat 27 grams to meet daily required kilocalories per person. Now coming to the price part, how expensive this plate is going to be. Cost for my plate for the day is, it is estimated that for a non-veg menu approximately 78 INR, and for a veg menu approximately 66 INR per person will be the cost. Some of the points to highlight. This is not a therapeutic diet, but yes, consumption of food in proportionate manner along with regular exercise and workout will boost our immunity and help us to eliminate non-communicable disease like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, heart attack, cancer, stroke, etc. Yes, right quantity and quality of food is the key towards healthy lifestyle. In subsequent videos, I will cover topics about different healthy dietary patterns and therapeutic dietary patterns like Mediterranean diet, DASH diet, traditional diet, etc. and its benefit. Let me know what all topic you want to know from me. Drop it in the comment section so that I can cover it in the upcoming videos. Hope you liked today's video. That's all for today, and my next video will be on absolute tips to address mental health issues. So stay tuned to Health and Eudaimonia for interesting videos and health related updates.
Don't forget to share, subscribe and click the bell icon to know about the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Goodbye.